This is how you integrate your CRM with Meta ads, which if done correctly will allow you to do several things, including begin nurturing leads by emailing or sending messages to leads once they submit their details. Now, if you do this integration properly, leads will no longer wait days to hear from you. You can begin nurturing them immediately. You can also run conversion lead campaigns, which is different to a simple leads campaign and far more powerful, and I'll explain more about that later. And this will save you a ton of time manually downloading and uploading leads from Ads Manager into your CRM every day. Now, it's actually incredibly simple, and I'll walk you through a live integration with ActiveCampaign and show you some others too. But don't worry if you're not using ActiveCampaign, because all the steps will be very similar no matter which CRM that you're using. So let's dive into the laptop and I'll walk you through the process step by step. If your CRM isn't one of the ones with a direct integration, you'll need to use Zapier. And we're producing a separate video all about that soon, so don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. Okay, so this is one of our client accounts, and what you're going to do is you're going to come into Events Manager. When you're in Events Manager, quite simply, what you're going to do is click on Partner Integrations. When you're in Partner Integrations, it's going to show you all of your connected partners up here. These are all of the different platforms with which Facebook has direct integrations with. And you can see the list is quite extensive. So some of you may be using Infusionsoft, some of you may be using Salesforce or Zoho CRM, etc., or HubSpot. These are the common ones. There is a search function, so you can look for your partner up there, but it is really, really dead simple in the fact that, so if I was to choose HubSpot and I was to click on that, again, this is what will open up for you, and you just quite simply have to follow the process along. And it really is as simple as following the connection steps that are set up here. And we're going to show you how you actually go into ActiveCampaign and do that in a moment. But quite simply, you choose your data set. That means choose your pixel. What pixel are you using? And you select next. And I would always really turn this on. So you don't want to turn off advanced matching. You want that on. Advanced matching will basically allow the system to automatically pick events and automatically match up your audience targeting to certain custom audience lists that you might have saved within HubSpot. Then at this bit, you're going to have to go into HubSpot and follow the instructions that it's set. And it is really, really clear with how to do that. Like I said, this video would be way too long if I showed you how to connect to every single type, but that is how you're going to do it. You're going to find your CRM and you're going to work through the instructions step by step. But what we'll do now is jump to ActiveCampaign and I'll show you how easy and simple this is. The reason that you're going to want to do this is because it allows you to do lead conversion campaigns. And a lead conversion campaign differs to just a normal lead campaign, because what it is doing is not just trying to generate you leads and optimizing for more and more leads. It looks at the data within your CRM. It looks at which of those leads is going down your pipeline to be customers, and it optimizes for leads that are most like your customers. So you can see how that is incredibly powerful. You do need quite a few leads coming through, and you need to be converting quite a few of these leads to do that. So I would only really be using a conversion leads strategy if you're converting, say, 50 leads a month, something like that, if you've got a good volume. If you don't and you're under that, just go for the volume on the leads campaign and follow some of the other videos in this channel, which we'll link above and in the description sector now, that shows you how to improve your lead quality. Because one of the biggest problems that you're going to have with generating leads from Facebook is that they don't answer the phone and that they're poor quality. And there are some things, some simple things that you can do to get that lead quality up. So what you want to do is you come into ActiveCampaign, and generally the option, no matter what CRM, is going to be in settings, and then you're going to be looking at integrations, which is down there. The big platforms make this as simple as possible for you. So with ActiveCampaign, you come up to adding an integration and you scroll down to Facebook, which is preset for you. Okay, this is what you will typically see, and they'll ask you what profile you want to continue under. So that is under my own. Then it's going to ask, what Facebook ads account do you want to use? Many of you will just have the one, so you select the appropriate ad account. Obviously, we run lots and lots, hundreds of ads accounts, so we're going to just select the correct one for this client. And there it is. Integration is now connected. When I start generating leads and I start managing those leads through the CRM that is available, and I'm moving them down the stages of the pipeline from, a completely cold lead to now they're marketing qualified, now they're sales qualified, now they're in the consideration phase, whatever it be, whatever the settings of your CRM pipeline are, Facebook can understand which leads are just not answering the phone, they're just dead, they're not appropriate, or they're lost leads, and which ones are actually converting, and it can optimize for those ones that are converting. So if you're generating a lot of leads and converting a lot of these leads, and all these leads don't actually have to come from Facebook, these leads can be your total lead generation, and Facebook will analyze all of that data to understand exactly who your buying customers are, not just people who suggest themselves as a lead. So you can see how that's going to be incredibly powerful. As I've said, if a direct integration does not exist within the Facebook Ads Manager system, don't worry, because there might be an integration within your unique platform, and if there's not, there is an intermediary app called Zapier that you can use that does integrate directly with Facebook ads. That will essentially take your information out of the lead center and it will squirt it through to your CRM to enable this process. So I really hope that helps. It is dead simple and it is incredibly important to do if you're generating leads and using a CRM to manage them. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.